Hello, my name is Paul Kiesling, and today my brother and colleague Dylan Kiesling and I are going to be presenting our topic about how global collaboration will be a key aspect of paving the way towards universalization.
Hello, my name is Dylan Kiesling, and I'm a sixth grade member of the Wolfpack CubeSat development team located in Palm Beach Gardens, Florida. Today, we will talk to you about universalization and how it can be achieved through the international collaboration. So, what is universalization? Well, this is about how humans will live in space, how we will get there, where we will settle, and how these settlements will work. In recent decades, more and more countries are developing their space programs, and scientists from all over the world are working on designing and building space settlements. A lot of global effort is being dedicated towards technology and innovation to make sure that humans can get to space. But we all need to ask ourselves, what will happen when people actually get there? How will a society function? And who will govern the galaxy? It is very important for all nations to figure this out. Countries need to work together to develop a framework on how they will live in space and share that environment. To make sure that framework is sustainable, it must be inclusive of everybody. Every nation must be involved. International collaboration is very important to achieve universalization. This concept is explained by Dr. Lorna Edmonds, who has served as Professor of Global Health and Vice Provost of the Global Affairs and International Studies at Ohio University. Dr. Edmonds believes that when looking at the world within the universe, people need to work together to solve the issues of the world as well as the issues of outer space. The more humanity gets ahead in space exploration, cooperation, and negotiation become very important because the issues of space have an impact on every single person on Earth. Therefore, all nations must work as one team when solving the issues of space. Establishing human life in space is a challenging task that will require global space agencies to combine their efforts, knowledge, and expertise. International partnerships in space exploration has been proven through history to be very effective. For example, NASA collaborated with the Indian Space Research Organization by training Indian scientists and engineers. Now the Indian Space Research Organization is one of the most prominent space programs in the world. Another important partnership in space exploration was a joint cooperation between NASA and the Russian space agency Roscosmos. The two nations came together to develop and operate the International Space Station. The success of collaboration can also be seen on a much smaller scale. For example, with students. Collaborative learning should be instilled at very early age so that students can grow up to be team-oriented citizens of the world. Our team is made up of children from 10 years old to 18 years old. Despite our age differences, we use collaboration and teamwork to achieve great results in many aerospace activities. For example, in December 2018, our team made history as the first middle school team in America to build and launch our own CubeSat to space. Currently, we are working on our second CubeSat mission, which is scheduled to launch later this December. The work we do is very important and we want to share our knowledge. We have created partnerships with students in 3 other states so we can teach them and learn from each other. We also advocate on behalf of the aerospace industry and attend legislative events where we speak with the U.S. Congress representatives to push forward aerospace and education policies. We also participate in space settlement competitions and the international space policy and universalization debates. Through these collaborative events, we build relationships and share knowledge from students all over the world. Even though we are only students, what we do will help build a stronger future for the aerospace industry.
Thank you. And now I would like to discuss different types of partnership, which can each be applied to different situations in the aerospace industry. In the first partnership style, leverage and exchange, one partner contributes to the work of another, or the partners exchange resources, which allows both actors to deliver better results at a faster pace. This style is optimal when each partner has a resource that the other one needs. The second partnership style, combine and integrate, is implemented when partners combine and share resources to multiply value and deliver greater results than they could have accomplished alone, while also reducing costs for all parties. This method requires closely working with other partners in order to brainstorm solutions and develop new approaches to deliver value. The final and most applicable partnership style is transform. In this type of partnership, numerous parties work together in order to tackle very complex tasks. This method is most relatable to space exploration and universalization. All nations should work together to develop a mutually inclusive governance framework and collectively create solutions to the roadblocks that lie ahead. In order to measure the effectiveness of partnerships, the partnership delta can be utilized. The partnership delta aims to quantify the extra value a partnership delivers compared with single actor approaches. The partnership delta equals the results of the partnership approach minus the sum of single actor approaches. The results include all contributions towards the objectives of the partnerships, as well as the ancillary benefits that came from the partnerships. While it is impossible to accurately calculate the partnership delta, it provides a basis to illustrate how partnerships add increased value and why they should be prioritized in the future. Collaboration and partnerships are amongst the most important things in space exploration and technological work today. Collaboration is when individuals or units work together in a coordinated model for a common goal, which is deep, collective, and identical. Collaboration is also a process of working together to create value, whereby people share information in other physical and virtual space. Effective collaboration maximizes time, talent, and tools to create value. Furthermore, in making this happen, the emphasis lies in the importance of collaborative culture and trust. Because without culture and trust, collaboration tends to stall. Furthermore, it takes a real deep belief amongst the key participants that a collaborative culture is the path to the best results. This shared belief is what enables the parties to tolerate the frustration and challenges associated with collaboration. And another emerging facet of collaboration is coopetition. When it comes to coopetition is the concept of simultaneous competition and cooperation between global rivals. Through cooperative relationships, global rivals can work together to collectively enhance performance by sharing resources and committing to common goals. At the same time, they can compete by taking independent actions in other domains to improve their own performance. Therefore, if nations understand how the concept of coopetition can be applied to space exploration, they can better focus on common goals of space exploration while still preserving their local identities and still competing to improve their performance in other areas. When it comes to space exploration, the idea of achieving global collaboration may seem like a daunting task that can only be accomplished by the top leaders in the space industry. Individuals in smaller sized organizations may not realize the value and the power of their individual actions. However, it is important to recognize that every person in every organization can contribute to the larger goal of achieving global collaboration. Collective results can only be achieved through collective action, and therefore it is important that every individual and every organization believes that their actions matter. This is due to the social proof theory, which claims that people tend to copy the actions of others in an attempt to undertake a behavior in a given situation. As a result, the more people that believe their individual's actions matters and are led by example, the more likely it is to achieve a collectively desired result. In this manner, even though the Wolfpack CubeSat development team is represented by a small team of aerospace students at a specific location, these students are always looking for opportunities to expand their network and grow through collaboration with other groups, both nationally and internationally. Similarly, to achieve global collaboration, it is essential for nations, leaders, organizations, and individuals alike to embrace the concept of collaborative culture. Thank you.